What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making this viral feta pasta that is all over TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, and I kind of feel like it should be in my kitchen and yours. So we're gonna make it. Now there's a hiccup. Since this recipe is so popular, I can't seem to find feta cheese anywhere. So I shopped via Instacart and they brought me a substitute. It's called BioLife, if you see that. And it's 100% vegan. Never used vegan cheese before. It says it's just like feta. Free from dairy, soy, gluten, lactose, nuts, and preservative. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna make vegan. This was not the intention, but this is what we're going to do because I have a fear of missing out. I don't wanna wait until feta cheese that's made with sheep's milk is back. With the milk of a sheep. Anyways, I want to make it now. Take this food adventure with me. And if I fail, we'll try again. It's gonna be interesting. Is it gonna give the same results? Is it gonna be as creamy and rich as it should be? I have no idea, but we are going to try it.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Boil your pasta of choice, drain it and set it aside. Wash your tomatoes. You're gonna add 2 cups of cherry tomatoes to a 9x13 pan. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Some salt, some black pepper. Use common sense on the salt. Add your feta cheese. Stuff it in the middle. 3 cloves of garlic, slivered. Add a tablespoon more of olive oil on the cheese. Some hot pepper, some oregano. A dash more of black pepper. Into the oven for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, you're gonna want to pop those tomatoes, some of them a bit. You're gonna add your pasta. Mix it well. Add a teaspoon of basil paste, or you can use fresh chopped basil. I use spinach here, and voila!
Oh my God.
Yummy!
Oh my God. This is to die for. This is definitely a yes for me. This is a go. It is not a no. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna go eat now.